Hi everyone, so today I want to unbox one of my all-time favorites wig, which is by Ellen Wille, and it's Esprit. It's in the color Caramel Rooted. I've never tried this color and I can't wait. So, as I said, this is from the Hair Society, which means it basically has a hand-tied cap and extended lace front. And for everyone who likes normal, regular synthetic fibers, this one has it. So there you go. Definitely like the color. Right. Let's have a look at the cap construction first before I put it on. So you have a mainly hand-tied cap. You have some covered wefts here at the back, which is kind of for stability. You have a left mono part, which goes all the way back to the crown. So it gives you that really natural part, but it also lays really naturally, therefore. Now you do have a hand-tied section next to the mono part as well, which means you technically could part it wherever you like in this section. The only thing you will find is that when you do part it here, let me show you. Obviously at the moment we have that zigzag parting, and I will take that out in a minute. So I will just show you at the moment what it would look like if you were to part it on the other side where it's kind of not meant to be parted. So what you have there, it would look like this. This is cluster knots. So the knots will be a bit more obvious than where you have that mono part. But it makes it possible for you to part it where you like. So if you don't like those cluster knots, find them a bit too obvious, you can just add some makeup onto it if you wanted to. So let's have a look at the style. Oh, sorry, I didn't show you the rest of the cap. You have an extended lace front. Amazing, really natural hairline all the way down to the ear tabs, and it runs into the ear tabs, so all the way down, really down this side here. Well, both sides. Then you have velvet covered ear tabs with metal stays in them, extended velvet nape with Velcro adjusters. There's not much stretch in this cap. So let's look at Esprit. Now I love Esprit because of these kind of barely there waves. I'm a big fan of barely there waves. These are the kind of waves I can never get my head around how to do them if I have like heat friendly fibers or if I have my human hair wigs. I just can't do it. So first thing I do is shake it and then just run my fingers through it to really make sure that all the fibers are kind of not so clumped onto the cap, so that gives you that really natural movement. You know, they've been sitting in the box for God knows how long, so just free these fibers a bit. Right, let's put it on. Right. Look how cute this is. It's such a cute piece. And the main thing about this piece, it's light. It's so incredibly light. Let me put it in the right spot first of all. Right, 4 fingers from the bridge of your nose. This is where the hairline should be, and there it is. Great. Oh, I love it. It's so, honestly, it's so light. It's so, you wouldn't know you are wearing a wig here at all. So let me just get rid of that zigzag parting. And Esprit comes in different colors. So if this is not quite your color, then have a look which other colors there are that you might like more. Really fine fibers. As I said, these are not heat friendly. So this is ready to go. Let me show you from all sides. this is a wig that is, I think it's, personally, obviously it's a personal opinion, I think it's a wig every wig wearer should at least try, because it is light. It doesn't, you don't need any upkeep on this one because it's not heat friendly fiber. It's a pretty much put on and go type of wig, and I do think it suits a lot of different face shapes as well. Again, it's just my personal opinion, but I love this one. Absolutely adore it. So now let me show you. Just do that parting again. Let me show you where the actual parts and what it looks like. Now, please be aware I have dark hair underneath it, so you might not get the real how amazing the part line is here. But here you can see what it does look like. I think it's really good. In comparison to, if you do want to part it on the other side, I want to just show you what that looks like. Because I do know a few people who prefer the part on the other side or want a middle part. So those left hand parts are not for everyone, which is fine. But this is what it would look like if you part it on the other side. I don't see much of a difference, but please tell me what you think in the comments below. So I would probably have it on this side because this is where I like to wear my part. So this is Esprit by Ellen Wille. Link to this piece is down below. Put down below in the comments what you think of Esprit, and I hope I see you very soon. Bye.